Unboxing some parcel sent from Element 14. I think it is the toolkit prize from being one of the winners in the test instrumentation project. So we'll just see what's in here. There we go. Opening up the parcel. There we are. Oh, another box inside. That's good. Put that over there. Oh, there's the toolkit. That's good. Put that there. And some other bits. Always good to get other bits. Oh, that looks interesting. That looks interesting. Put those over there. Seems to be stuck here. Come on. Ooh, got an extra LED. That'll come in handy. Okay, so the box is empty now. Oh no, another sticker. Oh, and another LED. Yay! So 2 LEDs now. In the box, which LED is delivered in. Thanks to Element 14. Sticker. I'll put that over there. So, oh, that's bright. Got some stickers. Oops, Star Wars. Not seen that yet. A couple of free LEDs, which have got caught up in the box. Got a pocket beagle. Oh, that's good. I'll play with that. Project 14 leaflet. Raspberry Pi sticker. Oh, it's all getting carried away here. Oh, nice. Oh, another Star Wars sticker. Pretty keen on Star Wars. And some sort of Star Wars card. That's very nice. Sent me a card. I'll look at that again. And then this is the box, which has got my belt in it. Hurrah! All I have to do is open it. Ooh, wow, that's a giant pair of spanners, pliers. Whoa! I shall have fun with those. Not sure where, but somewhere definitely. Biggest pair of pliers I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, what else we got then? Oh, that was the one I was looking forward to having a go with, which is the wire strippers. That'll be good. And then there's the actual belt for the tool holder, and then the actual tool holder itself. Oh, with the screwdrivers. Yeah, 2 screwdrivers. Very good. 2 screwdrivers there. So that's the tool holder with good solid screwdriver, flat blade, and good solid positive drive there. I should definitely use those. Probably not with the mini electronics I do. Nice belt to go with that, and then wire strippers there. That is going to come in very useful. I've been using a knife up to now and it's not that good. And the biggest pair of pliers I've ever seen in my entire life. Look at the size of that. Wow. What would you do with those? Not entirely sure, but I'm sure I'll think of something. Shall add them to the rest of my toolkit. And some additional bits. What's this in here? There's another box that they sent inside the big box. So another t-shirt there. It's a nice white one. Hope it's my size. Big. Very big. Oh, nice hat. Element 14. I've been looking for a hat like this actually. I shall wear my Element 14 hat There we go. That's better, isn't it? Get that out of the way. And then in here we've got Element 14 tumbler. That's an acrobatic thing. Oh, no, it's a nice cup for keeping my coffees warm. Just about to go and have a coffee actually. Yeah, oh look, QR codes, what do they get you? Excellent. Brilliant. Well, thanks very much, Element 14. Completely, well, a lot of it unexpected.